Hey, good morning, everybody. Just showing you where we are. This is my neighborhood, which I love. Look at all these craftsmen's houses with the porches. They got the tarp on the house. And that's the house back there where the tree fell from, that blue one. So this is crazy how far it fell. I haven't been here since Tuesday because I've been sick. So just bringing you in what it looks like. It smells ridiculous in here. It's Jesus' bedroom. More stuff is falling. We got the fan on. This thing is creaking more. The contractor came and said if we didn't have this kind of roof, we'd all be dead. So thank God it was built in 1920. Yeah. This is, they got the tarp. That's why it's so blue in here. So just up into, I don't know if you can see that, but that's up into the attic. And it's just that's just a little bit in there from the bedroom. And downstairs, of course, the basement is fine and the bathroom is fine. But yeah, this is, so the contractor will be here today and the insurance adjuster will be here today. Oh, there's Misty and Athena. And of course, they don't know what's going on. So I know this is just as stressful for them. So yeah, it's okay. It's not good, guys, but I just want to thank everybody for all your help so far. Yeah, thank you for all your help so far. It's rough. I don't know. We'll get through it, with you guys' help and prayers and thoughts and everything you've been doing. We